Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by prioritizing safety and measurement. Jack the VW Beetle and support it on rated stands under the beam, then remove the wheel and measure ride height from wheel center to fender lip on both sides and record values. Choose a realistic drop of 1.5 inches to 2 inches for street driving to preserve steering geometry and suspension travel. Visually inspect torsion housing, ball joints, tie rod ends, brake hoses, and wheel cylinders for wear or cracking before any changes. Use proven parts. Install drop spindles and a lowering beam designed for classic Beetles to safely achieve a 1.5 2-inch drop without cutting torsion leaves. With the car supported, loosen torsion bar adjusters and set per load back to factory specifications, then fit the new beam and spindles and torque fasteners to the component manufacturer values. Replace bump stops with units that are 1 inch shorter to preserve travel, and use new shackles, grease, and hardware when reassembling brakes and steering. After reassembly, perform an alignment. Set toe to stock specifications and check static camber. A lowered Beetle commonly shows up to 1 degree negative camber, so correct with shims or adjustable tie rods. Torque check all fasteners, bleed brakes if lines were moved, and confirm brake hose clearance through full suspension travel. Do a controlled 5-10 mile test drive, then recheck hardware, wheel bearing per load, and steering free play. Re-inspect alignment, shock mounts, and bushings again after 100 miles or 2 weeks for settling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.